quickest way to make your first $10,000 online. If you're a complete beginner and you do not have earned anything online, this is the video for you to earn your first $10,000 online. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So let's start it with the today's video. Quickest way to make your first $10,000 online. There are different methods online that are available and that you may use to earn your first $10,000 online. But today, the method I am going to show you is the quickest. So let's look at my steps. These are the summary about my method. If you have heard about the launch checking, then this is all about launch checking. Launch checking is actually all about finding the new products that are about to launch in the near future, and your task is to find that product, create a video, and upload it on your YouTube channel. Do it consistently, and that's how you can make tons of commission from launch checking. So these are the steps. In step 1, visit munchai.com and select the product. Munchai is the place which tells us about the product that are going to be launched in the near future. This is the munchai.com, the eye of the internet marketing launches. And here you will find tons of products, all launches and the big launches. This is the date. On that date, that product will get launched and the place on which it get launched, and this is the product name, and this is the commission structure. These are all big launches. Actually, these are the products from the people who are well known in the industry, and those people are offering you much more bonuses than the people who have just started out in the product launches. I recommend you to select your product from the big launches. However, if you do not find any product, or you may use products, or you may select a product from the all launches category. For the sake of this video, I am choosing a product. I am selecting a product from the big launches. Let's suppose if I open this, this is again the Munchai page. Big launch, vendor's name, product, launch date, launch time, front end price, commission, JV page, niche, and the platform. Just click on the JV page to get the information about the product. This is a JV page. You will get the information about email swipes, bonus page generator, the launch document, links, and this is a vendor. You can contact the vendor, dates of the launch, and the platforms on which the products will get launched. You can contact the vendors from here. And what is the video spy? This is the video about the product. You will get the information about the product here, and all things, even the bonuses and the contest dates and contest selection criteria. These are all things you will get from the JV page. This is the funnel of that particular product. On the front end price, this product is selling for $27 to $37, and these are all upsells. The beauty of these products are that they have a long funnel. On the front end, they are selling for a cheaper price, but at the back end of the funnel, these products are selling for hundreds of dollars. So let's suppose if you just sell one of this product, and the person who have bought this product using your affiliate link, and let's suppose he has bought all the funnel or the complete funnel, then you have a chance to earn more than $100 just from a single product. That's the beauty of those products. This is about the front end product. This is about the OTO's information, OTO 2, one time offer 4. These are the upsells. That's how you can get the information about the product, and you can get the approval or contact the vendors. Either you can contact the vendor on the JV page, or if you do not want to contact the vendor on the JV page, just register on the Warrior Plus and the JVZoo. These are two platforms on which all the products are generally listed. If I just take you to the Warrior Plus, you can contact the vendor on the Warrior Plus or the JVZoo. just create your account on the Warrior Plus and the JVZoo. These are the free platforms, and you may find tons of products on the Warrior Plus and the JVZoo. This is the Warrior Plus. Just click on a free sign up. This is the JVZoo. Click on a free sign up and create your account. Now you can just look at the platform on which that product will get launched. Let's suppose we have selected this product, then this product will be launched on the JVZoo. So what we will do, we will, after creating account with the JVZoo, just contact the vendor on the inside of the JVZoo. We will send a mail. We will contact the vendor that we want to promote this product on our YouTube channel. So please allow us, or please approve our request. After some time, that vendor will approve your request. Let's suppose if that vendor rejects your request, then don't worry. Just select the other product and repeat this procedure. At the start, you may face some rejections because you have not developed your profile. But once you start selling those products and you develop your profile in the JVZoo and the Warrior Plus, then you do not face any difficulty at all in getting approval from those vendors. And in step 2, create a review video on that product. As I told you that just visit the products page and the JV page to get the information about that particular product. Just write outlines about that product and create a slides. Just open up the AWWAP. Just write about like this, so you can speak about. There are different ways you can create videos. Either you can show your face, or you can just record your audio and capture your desktop. The way I am doing, just I am showing you my desktop and recording my voiceover. If you do not want to show your face or record your voice, even you can create slide based video. But I recommend you, if you want to show your face, these are the most engaging types of videos and you will get super high conversion. But if you do not want to show your face, then you can still get good conversion by recording your voice and desktop, just like I am doing. Just take the product information from the product page, make an outlines on the AWW app or on the Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, you have to speak about your outlines in more detail, so that you will create video about 3 to 5 minutes. That's all. All you need is to create 3 to 5 minute video, and that's all. And your review video has been created. For recording your voiceover or recording your desktop, I am using Camtasia. Even you can use Filmora, and even there are other free products available on the Google. You can just search for on the Google to find the product that will create free review videos for you. Those softwares will actually record your desktop. Whatever you are doing on your desktop, that software will record your video. In step 3, all you need is to upload that video in your YouTube channel. Let's suppose this is my YouTube channel. Just click on the plus sign, and from here you can upload video. After that, uploading your video, just give a title related to your video. I recommend you, let's suppose your product is about my video spy. So just title your video my video spy review, and just add a second line, just like I have used. Watch this before you buy the software. Or you can use, is this product a legit or a scam, something like that, to add a line that look catchy and that look appealing in the eyes of the people. After that, put your affiliate link in the description section. You can get your affiliate link from the Warrior Plus or the JVZoo, from where you will approve your product from the vendors. And I recommend you to add 300 words review in your description section. Whatever you have speak about in your review video, I recommend you to create the outlines and paste that outlines in the description section. This is your tag section. Just add tags related to your products. Like if your product is my video spy, so just add tags related to my video spy review, my video spy 2019, my video spy scam, my video spy software review. So these are all tags related to your keywords. If you wanted to find related tags of your competitors, I recommend you to install an extension that is known as vidIQ. After installing that vidIQ extension, just add your email in your vidIQ, and after that all you need is to open up a video. Like if you are open up a video like that, vidIQ extension will help you to find the tags of your competitors. Let's suppose if I type Trendsy review, then these are all Trendsy reviews from different people. Let's suppose if I wanted to see the tags that this person or this guy has used in his video, so I just open up this video. Now due to this vidIQ extension, we are seeing the tags of this video: Trendsy review, Trendsy review, Trendsy review and bonus, Trendsy review and demo, Trendsy agency. So these are numbers on which that particular video is getting ranked on that word, on that keyword, and these are the tags. So what we can do, we can just search for 3 to 4 related videos and we can get the tags, and we can find those tags and add those tags in our video. That's how we can add title, we can add description, and we can add tags in our video. After completing all those things, I recommend you to create your own thumbnail. For creating your own thumbnail, I recommend you to visit the canva.com, and from here you can create or you can design beautiful thumbnails. You can just search on YouTube about how to create beautiful thumbnails on Canva, and that's how you can find different videos about creating a thumbnails on the Canva. And after downloading that thumbnail, you can add that thumbnail in your video by clicking on add thumbnail here. After that, click on public and click on publish. That's how your video get published. This is the third step, and in step 4, rinse and repeat this process. You may not get results after uploading just one video, but I recommend you to upload videos on a daily basis. That's how you may see results after 2 to 3 months. If you do it on a consistent manner, you will definitely see results within a 2 to 3 months. And if you wanted to take it, or if you wanted to make it to the next level, then I recommend you to do it on a consistent basis. That's how you will see massive growth over the years. If I just show you an example of this launch jacking, then this is a guy, Jono Armstrong. This guy has over 41,000 subscribers, and he is doing for more than 1 year. And he is generally creating videos on a daily basis. And if you just visit his channel, then he is doing the same thing that I have shown you in this video. Even you may find other channels on the youtube.com. That's how you can create, or you can make your first $10,000 on the quickest way. If you have any confusion or if you have any doubt in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to click the like button. That's all for today. Thank you.